imagePROGRAF. The TA series. Core technologies from the high-end models used in a compact printer. Air feeding system. The TA series has a suction fan inside the platen unit, which helps keep the paper flat on the platen. Ink is precisely placed, resulting in fine lines and sharp text. LUCIATD pigment ink. Vivid posters can be made from plain paper to glossy paper for architecture, engineering and construction, technical drawings, architectural renderings, and Gantt charts for creative and design. Glossy graphics, progress charts, and posters for corporate, presentations and in-house signage. For retail, point-of-purchase signs and business charts. For education, classroom posters and decorations. Bring your printing in-house with the TA series.
Canon, delighting you always.